What was the secret ingredient, hook, element, story of your best performing video? The video was how to download and install Adobe Photoshop. A super hyper specific video. They wanted a product, and I was showing them step by step how to get that product. Got over 1 million views. We in the video analytics and we under reach. So this is normally where it shows your impressions, the click through rates, and then the views. One of the things with how viewers find the video, it's nice to see which traffic sources and where the video is coming from. We got 63% from external, which is Google search. And that's the YouTube video coming up in Google search results, and then people clicking and watching. And then YouTube search was 30%. And that's really ranking for that specific keyword. So the keyword we were going for was Adobe Photoshop and how to download and install it. It's boring, but it's needed. One of the main things that I want to emphasize is the simple videos that are super specific, that help people solve a very small problem. Those are the ones that are going to get your channel traction. You're really aiming for a video that's getting 40 to 50 views a day. So it's not huge volume, but if you get 10 videos getting 50 views a day, suddenly we're averaging 500 views a day. And that's going to then grow the channel. And once you're getting 500 views on 10 videos, the network effect goes to the rest of your library. So if you've got 100 videos up and 10 are getting views, your other 90 are then getting traction and traffic from those ones that have started building the momentum.